Bautista to start with. Jem Ferrer now to serve.
Yeah, we'd like to listen to Rina Villamor. Rina Villamor, what's going on there?
That's right. Ito nga, just sort of dito on Patricia Torres, no? Nagkaroon lang daw siya ng popping sound dito sa kanyang right knee, no? According to her, nagkaroon daw siya dati ng partial tear dito sa kanyang right knee. Pero right now, we're still observing kung ano nga ba yung kanyang main injury dito. But as the meantime, yung kanyang therapist nga ay inaayos siya at nilalagyan din ng bandage yung kanyang right knee. So, that's it for now. Back to you, Noreen.
Thanks, Rina. Pero kita natin sa mukha ni Patricia Torres, parang sanay na. Bunag. Gohing. Ferrer. Valdez with a tip. Andun si Gonzaga. Salak. Over. Oh!
Smart move on the side of the Philippine Army. Binalik kung saan nagkakagulo pa ang depensa.
Oh, you know, this is Salak's moment eh. Yung mga crucial eh. Pupuntos at pupuntos yan eh.
I agree. Oh, and poor reception.
Salak. Dakis. Bam!
Oh, you knew that was coming from the set pa lang ni Tina Salak.
Oh, yeah, 8 serving 10. This is close. And Rexona antiperspirant deodorant, it won't let you down.
Well, Smart Maynilad 4 attack points. Philippine Army having 3 so far. Gonzaga with 18 points. Valdez with 20.
Usual.
Oh, ganun lang. Pa-20-20.
20-20.
Pag may time.
Oh.
Oops.
Oh, good block coverage is there. Ferrer. Soltones.
Oh, going down the line. And she gets it. Nagtaka si Tina Salak. Saan dumaan yun?
Well, Guliman. Serving 10. Serving 8. Nunag. Salak. Running. Bunag.
Oh. And Bunag gets it.
Can she lead her army over Smart Maynilad? Cassini with a block.
Another chance for Smart Maynilad.
Valdez, Salak, chance for Team Army. Gonzaga, Soltones, andun. Cassini, ballet shot. Oh! Bam!
Cassini knew what to do. Alam na niya na kay Dakis ibibigay ang bola. Nandun na ready na siya doon.
Gonzaga, Gohing, still alive. Cassini, sends it over. Salak. Combination.
Ferrer was there.
Block. Soltones. Cotruang, but a good dig. Nunag. Dakis, Cotruang.
Oh, ang ganda ng basa ni Cotruang.
Oh, Jaws at the net.
Oh, and Rachel Dakis. She knew what to do.
Smooth lang eh, no?
Alam mo na eh. Kasi ang gulo na ng depensa. Tignan mo pa, dahil sunod-sunod na sa kanya yung bigay ng bola eh.
Ganda. Oh, hitting error para kay Cassini. Crucial.
Yep, because we are tied with that error. Sending it wide.
That's right. Something's gotta give. Both teams ayaw mag-fudge, no? 11-all.
Sayang, nandito ka na eh. Umabot na dito. Talagang pahirapan na to.
Cotruang. Salak. Gonzaga. Oh, good defense. Cassini.
You can really see that the spikers are giving it their all. Oh, and Cassini.
She gets that.
Again, kanina pa. Paulit-ulit.
Well, 12-11. De Leon, good serve.
Ganda.
Kala ko papaluin na ni Cotruang. Ruby De Leon. Another easy over. Salak. Gonzaga. Oh, nice dig. De Leon.
easy taking.
That's alive. Kinaliwa ni Cotruang. Roses this time. Ganda ng defense on both sides.
Bawal pumikit.
Long rally.
Oh.
Cristini. Cotruang.
Great saves and the defense.
Oh!
And it ends with an error on the spike. Well, Smart Maynilad up by 2.
We're in the 5th set. 13-11. Gonzaga.
Almost like a placement shot for Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Tinip lang niya, no?
Pinanap lang yung butas. Nilagay lang yung mika sa ball natin.
That's right. So 12-13. Dakis. Gohing. Cristini. Wow, what a dig.
Almost an error because Sue Roses was also getting ready to get that gift.
Alam mo yun makikita mo yung IQ ni Sue Roses. Kanya yun eh, di ba?
Yup. Pero nakita niya may lumilipad na doon sa gilid niya
Alam natin mabait si Sue Roses. Give na. Well,
give love on Christmas.
we got match point. Smart Maynilad. Salak. Gonzaga. Cristini was there. Cotruang. Oh!
She wanted to go into the same, sa spot na yun to the same kind of hit. Off speed naman. Kaya lang, did not make it. So, eto, Iratay Carolino inside. A very, very crucial stage of the game. Match point for Smart Maynilad.
13-14 Iratay. Serving to stay alive here in this match. Hold on to your seats, everyone. Cotruang. Roses tries to end it. No!
What a way to end this game. Woo!
We went the distance. We went all 5 sets.
And then this is the veteran move that why Coach Rogers sent in Sue and Ruby back in the game as we see our shake it play. Ito yung kaya sila binalik. So, hindi in-expect ng Philippine Army that it will go to Sue.
That's right. And Army loses finally to Smart Maynilad, 13-15. Ang Smart Maynilad nag-prevail over Army.
That is right. And it was really a close game. It was a game of breaks and a game of little things that really mattered in the end. And Rina Villamor is with our best player of the game.
That's right. Our Shakey's best player is no other than Pinoc Cosino. First of all, congratulations to the Smart team. Pinoc, we all know that you're going up against the Meralco Power Spikers coming into this Sunday. What are your insights into this game and what will be your preparations against the Meralco?
First and foremost, it's a good game. Yeah. And then what we have to do a lot of receive. We have to work it out with receive. That's our problem now. So I haven't played with Meralco yet because I'm not there yet. Yeah. She got a tall girl from Chinese. That's what we have to worry about. Yeah. Because you see foot something. Look, if we have a good teamwork, good combination like that, it's gonna be a good game. Yes, it's gonna be a good game. So, thank you. I'm appreciated for this. That's the second time for me. I hope I have third time and fourth time. All right. Thank you, girl, for today. That's what we have to work it out. With receiving. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
All right, thank you so much. And of course, you won't be going away without our Shakey's representative, Miss Denise.
Thank you so
and
much.
congratulations
Thank
again.
you.
Good luck on your game on Sunday. That's it from my end. I'll turn you back to Noreen and Mosey.
Well, you can hear it from her voice, no? You can feel pagod na pagod.
Actually, ganyan din kami kapagod ni Noreen. Hindi nyo nagnahalata. But Philippine Army, 7-2. Maynilad improving to 5-4.
Well, it goes to show the things to look out for here in the V-League as we continue to give you top volleyball action. Thanks for watching this, Noreen Got. In behalf of Mosey Ravenna and Rina Villamor, stay and keep it here on the Shakey's V-League.
As Micah Ortiz scores again, hard to do. Stop the running attack of Micah Ortiz. Alam mo, ang hirap depensa niya. Oh, wow. That is a power cross-court hit from Molina. Another cross-court attack. Oh, nice defense by Molina. And Cases confusing the defense. Sangbuang. And the Ramos did not keep it in. Ooh, Marciano.
Finally,